Hello guys, this is Artneil Gaming, and in this video we're going to participate in the Naruto Resource Draw Premium Supply. This is different from the skin draws. This is the draw where you can get the loading screens and sacred statues of Naruto Shippuden characters. So we have a loading screen for Naruto and Sasuke, and also a tower skin for Gamakichi, and you can also get 4 sacred statues of these 4 heroes: Sasuke, Naruto, Kakashi, and Sakura. Okay, so I have recharged 250 diamonds to get 11 Scroll of Flame. So let's draw 10 draws. Let's go. Hoping and get something good. I'm just planning to get maybe a sacred statue. I'm not planning to get the loading screens because I already have the World Collector loading screen here in this account. So 10 times draw. Unfortunately, you don't get anything from the first 10 draws, unlike the other draw. And of course we got nothing. What's this? 3-day. So one more draw. 15. So only 149 tokens in 11 draws. So that's not even enough for a sacred statue. So maybe I should draw more to get sacred statue. And this has no second phase, so we only have recharge stats for this event draw for Naruto Resource Supply. So I'm still thinking if I should get, maybe I should do daily draws, but I can still exchange for Scroll of Flame in the other event. So see, so I have 440. I can exchange 9 50, 450. So I can still get more beads. So maybe I don't need to draw. So that's it, guys. What did you get? Are you planning to get these amazing loading screens, or are you satisfied with the Mega Collector and World Collector loading screen? But these are so amazing, guys. The effects are so amazing. I like the Naruto one better. These effects are for flexing only. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.